Hi dear students, myself Chandrajit, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department, Srinaranuru College of Engineering and Technology, Payyanur. In this semester, that is in the 7th semester, I will be dealing with this subject, that is ME 403 Advanced Energy Engineering, which is moreover a theory related subject. Okay, now moving on to the syllabus of the subject. The first module comprises the introduction to the course, global and Indian energy resources, energy demand and supply. Okay, these are just as a introduction, that is global and energy resources. What are the energy resources available, utilized in India as well as in the world, and energy demand. What about the energy demand and supply? How much energy we are using per year and how much we are having. The statistical values also are important, and after that we will move on to the components, layout and working principles of different power plants. Power plants are used to produce the energy. So we will be familiar with different types of power plants in the earlier semesters itself. So out of that, the important power plants are steam, hydro, nuclear, gas turbine and diesel power plants. We will be dealing all these power plants with the components and layout and working principles. Okay, that comprises the first module. Now moving on to the second module. This is the very important renewable source of energy, that is solar energy. So in the second module, solely we will be concentrating on the solar energy, and in it comes the passive and active solar thermal energy. Then we will move on to the solar collectors. The solar energy, the devices used to collect the solar energy. So that is what is known as solar collector. Different types of solar collectors are there. We will be dealing in detail. Now comes solar thermal electric system. So the solar energy is converted into electrical energies, and how the system based on the electrical energy is working. So it is a combination of solar energy. The solar energy is now converted into electrical energy, and using that electrical energy, some systems will be working. In this topic, we will be dealing with that systems. Okay. Now then comes solar photovoltaic system, and finally economics of solar power stationary attributes. Okay. Economics of solar power and sustainability attributes. These are all coming under the second module. Now moving on to the third module. Here comes another renewable source of energy, that is wind energy, that is being popularly used nowadays. In this module we will be dealing principle of wind energy conversion system. Okay, how wind energy is being converted into electrical energy, wind data and energy estimation, how we will estimate the wind data, the speed of the wind, direction, everything we have to calculate to produce the electricity. Then comes wind turbines, how the working of the wind turbine is. Then comes aerodynamics of the wind turbine, to produce the maximum electricity from the minimum wind speed and all. We have to concentrate on the design side also. So aerodynamic shapes of the wind turbine also is to be discussed for the minimum resistance. Now comes wind power economics, and finally introduction to solar wind hybrid energy system. This is the combination of both solar as well as the wind energy. So it is a hybrid system. Anything combination is known as hybrid. Okay. Now moving on to the fourth module, it comes under biomass energy. This is also popularly used nowadays. How biomass is being utilized as a fuel. Then comes thermochemical reaction, what is happening, how the energy is converted using the biomass, how biomass is being converted into energy. That is what is coming in the second portion. Then comes biochemical and agrochemical conversion of biomass, pyrolysis, gasification. These are all the different methods used to produce the energy from biomass. Pyrolysis, gasification, combustion and fermentation, transesterification. Okay, all these are different methods commonly used. And then comes economics of biomass power generation, and finally we will discuss future prospectus. Okay, this is all about third and fourth module. Now moving on to the fifth module. This is other renewable. Altogether we have discussed solar energy as well as wind energy as the major source of renewable energy. Now all other sources of renewable energies are clubbed together, and we will be studying in the fifth module, that is brief account of geothermal, tidal, MHD power generation, small, mini and micro hydro power plants, All these are coming under the first part of the other renewable sources, and then comes fuel cell, general description, types, application. Then another important renewable energy is the hydrogen energy, how hydrogen is produced, how it is converted, that conversion system, hybrid system also we will be discussing. Then comes the economics and technical feasibility. Okay, that's all about the fifth module. Now in the sixth module we have environmental impact of energy conversion. Ozone, this is all about the general discussion about how energy is affecting the atmosphere. So ozone layer depletion, global warming, greenhouse effect, loss of biodiversity, all these are coming in this module. Acid rain, air and water pollution, land degradation. Moreover, this module is concentrating on the effect of use of fuels on the environment, how it is affecting the environment. Okay, that is what is more concentrated in this module. So this is, as I have told in the starting itself, this is purely a theoretical subject. And moving on to the textbook discussed in the syllabus are, these are all the textbook you have to refer, that is being given in the syllabus itself. Okay, so any other text also is okay for this subject, since it is a theoretical subject. I won't recommend a particular text to follow. You can refer any text according to your opinion or according to your choice. That is all up to you. Anyway, what you need is to gather the data supporting your argument. That's all. So this is purely a theoretical subject, and in the next class we will be moving on to the topic. Thank you.